So children, now that we have seen few objects, pictures of few objects that begin with the sound L, as in lamp, lollipop, lion. Now let us learn how to write lowercase sound L, the letter L. Okay, so before we start learning how to write, I request parents to make a similar worksheet for your child to practice writing the sound L. So the first box, we show the exact formation of the letter with the arrows. So we begin with the riser, taking a turn here. So that's again, we show an arrow mark, coming down and ending it with the tail. That's the descender. So the first row is simple dotted patterns wherein the child has to trace over the letter. The second row is you just give them the starting points, the initial points, so that they can join and become a little more confident in forming the letter. And the third row is for the child to do it independently by him or herself. And this is a very important area wherein children have to draw a few objects that begin with the sound L, the sound L. Okay, so now let us get to writing. Children, we always begin writing from the line, not above the line, not below the line, from the line. Ensure that you are holding the pencil nicely. You don't have to press the pencil on the paper. Yes, you have to hold your pencil tightly, not press it on the paper very hard, okay? And then we start writing from the line. We start with a riser going upwards, very slight slant line, okay? Then we take a slight turn and come down. Come down, touch the line and end it with the tail. That's the descender. Yeah, quite easy. Now that you have written so many sounds, this will be quite easy for many of you to write the sound L. Yes, again starting with the riser. It's very similar to so many sounds. Yeah, you have written the sound H, B. Yeah, the initial part is very much similar. So we start from the line with the riser going upwards. Go up, 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 a slight slant. Take a slight turn and come down, down, down. Cut it. Come down, touch the line. Again take a slight turn and end it with a descender. That's the tail. Let us write once again. We start from the line, starting with a riser. Starting with the riser going upwards. Go up, up, up. Take a slight turn. Come down. Cut it. Take a slight turn again and end it with the tail. That's the descender. So this is the way we write our sound L. Start completing the worksheet. Okay. So again, we start with the riser from the line going upwards. It is simple, yeah? You have to just join the dots, but understand the pattern. You go upwards first with the riser, take a slight turn, come down, touch the line, go a little up, end it with the tail. Come to the second one, again join the dots, starting with the riser, go upwards, take a turn, come down, take a slight turn. That's the sound L. Lion, lollipop, lamb. Again, you take a turn, come down. That's it. Now let us do the ones which is the initial point. So I know my starting point is from the line. I go upwards. Yes, now take a slight turn. Come down. Take a slight turn. That's the sound L. Again, starting with the riser, going upwards. Take a slight turn. Come down. Touch the line. End it with the tail. Yes, again, we start with the riser going upwards. Little slant. Take a turn. Come down. Cut it. Touch the line and end it with the tail. Yes, now coming to the last row. Now that we know how to form the letter, yes, we start from the line, slight slant, going upwards, stop, take a turn, now we come back down again, end it with the descender. Again, starting with the riser, goes up, stop here, take a slight turn, come down with the tail. We start here again, starting with the riser, going upwards, stop, take a turn, come down, touch the line and take a slight turn. So this is the way we write our sound L. Okay, so here we have written sound L, the letter L, 9 times. Okay, so now I give you a choice. You can write minimum 6 times and maximum 9 times the sound L in your worksheet. Yeah, who find writing 9 is too much, you can write just 6 times. And who find that writing 9 is much better, you can write 9 times. Yes, so I give you a choice. You write 6 to 9 times. Okay, and then you can here draw some beautiful pictures that we just saw, and you can even try hunting for some objects in your house that begin with the sound L. Yes, and try to draw here. And I want this work to be done by the children, and then you can color it beautifully. Children, happy learning. Bye.